Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul AIDA BINTI RASHID from AS2293A. So today I will show you experiment 2, which is soil texture by the field method. The objective of experiment 2 is to familiar oneself with the field method for determination of soil textural class based on the characteristic of a soil mineral material sand, silt and clay. The second one is to qualitatively determine soil textural class of soil sample using the field method. So to conduct the experiment, the material that we need are soil sample 1 and soil sample 2, a bottle of water and a ruler. Okay, the first step for experiment, this experiment is we need to place 1 tablespoon of soil sample in your palm. Okay, this is sample 1. So you're going to drop a little bit of water. Okay, so now you are going to knead the soil to form a moist putty and try to develop a ball. Okay, can you build a ball? Okay, now try to squeeze it. Does the soil remain in the ball? Yes. Okay, so we are going to proceed with step 2. For step 2, place the ball between your thumb and forefinger and try to push the soil with the thumb with the same pressure to form a ribbon. Okay, can the soil form a ribbon? No. If it's a no, so it's a loamy sand. So we are going to proceed with sample number 2. So we are going to put a tablespoon of soil sample in your palm and drop a little bit of water. Okay, try to form a ball. Okay, can the sample form a ball? Okay, then does the soil remain in a ball? You try to squeeze it. Okay, the sample cannot form a ball. Okay, if the sample cannot form a ball, is the soil too dry? No. Is the soil too wet? No. So this is a sand. Okay, so the result for experiment 2 is sample 1 is a loamy sand and sample 2 is a sand. So in conclusion, the objective for this experiment was achieved as to familiar oneself with the field method determination of soil textural class based on the characteristic of soil mineral materials, sand, silt and clay. And the second one is soil textural class of soil sample using the field method was qualitatively determined. For the next experiment is soil color. The objective of this experiment is to familiar oneself with different color of soil, to apply Munsell color chart for soil color determination, and to determine soil color at field using the Munsell chart. To conduct the experiment, the material that we need is are 4 type of soil sample, which is sample 1, sample 2, sample 3 and sample 4, and soil sample air dried. Okay, for soil color experiment, the first step to do it, add little sample of soil into your palm and add a little of water. Okay, and add a little water to make a paste, and then you try to make a little paste and smear a small amount on a piece of paper. Okay. Okay, this is for sample 1. Okay, so we are going to proceed with sample number 2. So we're going to put a little bit of water, okay, to make a paste. Okay, after we make a paste, smear a small amount. Okay. So we are going to proceed with sample number 3. We add a little bit of water to make a paste. Okay. Okay, then smear on a piece of paper. This is sample 4, so we are going to put a little bit of water to make a paste. And smear it on a piece of paper. Okay, for the result, we need to compare the color with the Mansell color chart. Okay, for the next sample, we are going to compare using the Mansell color chart. Okay, we can find the color from this chart. Okay. So this is the result for experiment soil color. So in conclusion, the objective of this experiment was achieved. So the objective of familiarize oneself with different color of soil. Mansell color chart for solid color determination was applied, and soil color at field using the Mansell color chart was determined. So that's all from me. Thank you.